In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website specifically designed for photographers. Let's dive in and build a stunning online portfolio that showcases your work beautifully. First, head over to Wix.com. Once you're there, click on Create New Site to get started. When prompted, choose the Photography category. You'll find a variety of templates tailored to different photography niches, such as portrait photography, wedding photography, nature and travel, product photography, and studio portfolios. After selecting a template that appeals to you, hit Edit Template to begin customizing it. Remember, a clean, image-focused layout with a white or black background works best to make your photos pop out. Now let's focus on customizing your homepage, which is the storefront of your visual identity. Add a striking hero section with a full-width slideshow or featured image. To do this, click on Change Background, then select Image/Video and upload your work. Complement this with a short introduction that captures your photography essence. Something like capturing stories through timeless photography. Don't forget a strong call to action button prompting visitors to view portfolio or book a session. Keep text minimal to let your visuals do the talking. Next up is creating your photography portfolio page, the heart of your site. Head to Menus and Pages, add a new page, and name it Portfolio. From there, add a gallery. You have options such as Pro Gallery. Choose a layout that best showcases your work. Options include Grid Gallery, Masonry Gallery, Slideshow, or Strip Collage. Upload your best high-quality, optimized photos, ideally under 1 MB each, for faster loading times. Organize your images by categories like weddings, portraits, and nature for easy navigation. Add some subtle hover effects or titles on hover for a modern aesthetic. Clients love understanding the person behind the lens, so an about page is essential. Share your bio, your photography specialization, and maybe a candid photo of you in action. You can also include client lists or publications to boost your credibility. Keep this page authentic and relatable to forge a stronger connection with visitors. Highlight your offerings with a services or packages page. Add a section for services, listing various packages like wedding, portrait session, branding photography, and product shoots. Provide a brief description, duration, or deliverables, and possibly starting prices. Make sure to include a book now or inquire button for easy client interaction. You could integrate Wix bookings to streamline appointment scheduling and payments. A contact page is vital for interaction ease. Incorporate a simple contact form, add optional studio addresses, clickable phone numbers, and email links. Including social media links fosters connection through multiple channels. Consider adding a custom thank you message or redirecting to a thank you page post form submission. Personalize your site further through the site design menu. Select a color palette that mirrors your brand and choose fonts that align with your photography style, whether minimal, elegant, or modern. Add smooth scroll or fade-in animations to elevate the browsing experience. Ensure there's ample white space to direct attention to your photos. Before launching, optimize your site for mobile users who make up the majority of web traffic. Switch to mobile view in the Wix editor. Adjust spacing, image sizes, ensure gallery